So on Tuesday, June 24th, 2025, got to ride along with Trooper George Youpel. Is there more to this? So, one of our first stops was this mental person who was on his property. I think it was like a domestic, and yeah, so he was like shooting at the ground or whatever, and he was like very drunk. By the way, it was like 5, maybe like 4 p.m, and I'm like, and he's like drunk. We arrested dude. We didn't arrest him. I think the county did. County arrested him, and we sent him to the hospital for some mental evaluation. And of course, we're stuck at the hospital again. Got to talk to him a little bit, and we breathalyzed him, and he blew like I think he blew a 222. So easily like 2.5 times the legal limit, almost 3 times. I'm like, dang, never seen a number that high. He was complaining how like he was not going to like a mental facility because he has like things at home to take care of. Like he has his own farm. He has a lot of farm animals. We were there for a couple hours, and eventually sent him off to a mental hospital. We got back onto so after that, did I take my notes on this? Okay. After understanding my notes, I wrote them very confusing. So we also we're driving around after we got out of the hospital, drove around, and we found this guy on the side of the driving on with a what's it called, a moped without a license plate. Pulled him over, and I think we we searched him, and he pulled out we found a meth pipe on his person. So immediately we detained him, and continued with its traffic stop. And after searching him some more, we found not only a meth pipe but was also meth on him as well. So now this bro was really cooked. We had got somebody to pick up the moped, and arrested the guy, sent him to jail. We also went to go visit Trooper Berkeley for an event check. I think he like got a new car or something, a personal car or something like that, and he just needed to hit the VIN check. After that, not much really happened, and that was my day.